Yeah.
Dexter, do you have any clothes on?
Yeah, not after.
Do you have clothes on?
No.
Oh, okay. Do you want some clothes?
And when he was in the spaceship, it was like right through the glass. Yeah.
Do you want to read a story? You do?
Yeah. I do. Yeah.
You do? Okay.
And it was like, Wally!
Do you want to pick a story?
Yeah. Yeah, it was like, Wally! When he was hanging under the spaceship.
What are you reading?
It was so funny. Bunko.
Oh.
Yeah. And there's
What?
and there's
Done?
really
Okay.
binoculars, right? And we have a model Wally. Right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You know who Giuseppe's talking to? Who?
Yeah. Papa. Yeah.
He was talking about, but now he's talking to Nana.
Papa. Back at Papa. Bum.
Where's your belly? There it is.